Okay. In YouTube, I accidentally forgot that I wasn't recording, and y'all missed the whole setup part for the YouTube for the thing. So we changed the whole shit around on stream, right? We got this. It's all about simple things, right? Fire, nigga. The video of me looking absolutely mwah today. Get someone who looks at you like another prompt. Let's see, low key flex. Okay, you just had to be there. That one, me during fashion week, some simple shit. I put some prompts in, so let me show you the view. They come to my shit, they see me chat my ass off. Okay, cool. Should we put the college I go to in here, chat? No, because it already says where I'm from, no? We gotta put it, chat. We have to put it. I'm not gonna let y'all see that, though. Hold on. Okay. I just put a chat. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it shows it now. It shows, okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, let's get back. New here, she. Typical Sunday. Go for sushi. Chicago, Illinois. Christian, Guatemala. Long-term relationship, open to short. Watch movies. Watch sunsets. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to like this one. We're just going to shoot a bunch of shots, okay, chat? We don't care where they're from. Okay, we're going to send that like, boom, sent to nigga. Hinge gives your likes priority, increases your chances of a match, okay? Cali. I won't settle about Minecraft and my dog. Realtor at Realty One Complete. Sierra College, Lincoln. Figuring out my dating goals. You fly me out to where first round is on me. You think you can make me finish? Okay, next, let's go next AI tip. Oh, my phone's about to die. Let's plug it up. Are you a baker because you make my heart rise? Are you Wi-Fi because I'm feeling the connection? Okay, that's what we'll do. Okay, we'll just reply to this. Something simple, something sweet. Okay, niggas not doing it like me. They're not doing it. Where is she from? Christian. How old is she? 20. She's verified. How do I get verified, chat? Okay, chat, let's verify myself real quick. Come on. Yo, chat. Don't know what's going on. Am I getting verified now? Okay, I should be getting verified soon. Okay, that should be valid. Okay. Her, I think we're just gonna use the same shit. We're gonna use the same shit. We're just gonna use the same shit. Okay, we're just gonna send this shit. Use same shit, right? Self care, my pup. The Sacramento long term relationship open to short. My crying in the car, so I'm not gonna lie to free break guitar solo. I'm convinced that this app is pointless. And this is where you gotta send the good shit, nigga. Is your name Google because you have everything I've been searching for? Some slight shit, nigga. Come on, please be there. Please, okay. Now you don't want to apply to one movie. Okay, come on. We on that chat. Imagine I send all these and I go to class tomorrow and the girls at my school. I will be fucking cooked. You're out of likes, but you can add more. Get a day pass to immediately unlock these benefits without over committing. Get 2 times more likes. See everyone who likes you. See set more dating preferences. Shut the fuck up.
I think you should date my friend Coral because
No. San Diego, dead. Nope. Naomi, my simple pleasures are the triple dippers from the Chili. San Jose, no. Roseville, let's play a game by play Kia, no. Chloe, she being where's she from? Where's she from? Where's she from? Me and my best friend, guy best friend, red fucking flag, no. Oh shit, Kyla, I gotta go crazy for sushi. Christian, what does she cost money? Nope. Okay, what else we on? What else we on, Chop? I go crazy for some tattoos. Not me. Next. How can we set preferences? Ooh. Dating me is like peeling an onion. I have many layers. Spiritual, figuring out my dating goals. I go crazy for. Hey, fuck that. Hey. Did I fuck up, chat? Oh, thank goodness. Okay, come on. I go crazy for nerds. Hey, what I do, nigga? What I do? I go crazy for nerds. I know the square root of y, which equals you plus me. That's valid. Hey, that valid, chat? Hold the fuck up, chat, bro. Yo, I'm guessing Jason have to get this shit, bro. Don't ask me what I just did, chat. Okay, we're back on chat. Come on. Ashley, give me 1 sec. Let me check my bank account. Okay, we're still sturdy. I get paid tomorrow anyways. Okay. No, go back to my wife. Actually, I don't think I want to. Okay. Send like, boom. Has anybody liked mine yet? Nobody. Congrats, you're certified. Yay. Okay, so this might be a problem. This might be a fucking problem. Okay. Lily, I hate here and I want to fall in love and never see this app ever again. What race is she? Parts at Automall. I lost a long time ago. Okay. Let me introduce you to my alter ego. Fuck that. We're not using AI, nigga. I'm gonna say. I'm not the same color as Shaggy, but I can for sure be your Scooby. Your Scoo. Hey, I'm not the same color as Shaggy, but I can for sure be your Scooby Boo. Nigga, Scooby Doo, Scooby Boo. Lit. We're sending that. Hey, I'm on. Okay, let's see. Nah, next. She pick the best one. FaceTime. Oh. Okay, she's cute, but I don't see where they're from. I'm gonna just keep skipping. Okay, Kenzie. I'm a big time yapper. CUSCUS. Nah, we're off that chat. We're off that chat. Hey, can I say a preference? Ooh. I go crazy for M4 Comp and Porsche 911 GTRS. UC Davis. Expensive taste. No, never mind. Ooh, shit. UC Davis. We're off of that, chat. We're off of that. Yo, who keep texting the Discord like crazy? We're off that too, chat. Okay. This look like a fake account. I think it's just because I've seen this name Lonnie pop up so much times. Let's get a normal line. Alright, so let's get some Riz lines. Come on. Let's get some Riz lines. Are you an artist because every moment with you is a matter? Are you a light bulb because you brighten them up? Do you have an eraser because I can't get you on my mind? Oh, do you have a map? Question mark. I got lost in your profile pictures. Oh my god. Hey, this is the same person I follow on Instagram. It's gotta be a fake account. Oh, Stanford. Fake. We're off that. Oh, nope. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to change my preferences. Ethnicity. Okay, let's go see. I just want to see what pops up, chat. I just want to see. I'm really into Asians. Oh yes. Yeah, okay, we're off that. We're off that too, chat. Okay, we're gonna use the same Riz, chat. We're gonna use the same Riz for a couple. We're gonna use the same Riz because at the look of it, okay. Oh my goodness, Sacramento. Well, I bet you can. I see a nigga in the background. Red flag. Next. Felt cute, might delete later. I'm a 10, but. Oh. Girl. Binge horror films go all together often. See her. She was active today or no? Okay, let's see. Advertisement chat. Are you an artist? Okay, we're just gonna put the same thing because that one was kind of clean. We're gonna use the same thing. Could you have a map? I just got lost in your profile pictures. Okay. Oh shit. I think I know who this is. A life goal of mine: finish One Piece. My biggest fear is being embarrassed. Finish a life goal. Okay, this is some fine shit. I don't think she goes to see her though. I think it disappeared. Was she active today? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna just say some chill shit. I think that's about the only one I'm scared to watch. Send. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Shouldn't my therapist would say I shouldn't be on his app. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. And it's okay. Mind your business, chat. Mind your business, chat. Mind your business. Okay. I need something that says out here. Something that okay. Nope. We're gonna keep skipping that. We're just gonna keep skipping. Okay. She likes white boys. The next, we're off of that. We're off of that. Okay, let's see. I go crazy for next. Sacramento. Wait, if falling in love has similar effects on the body as taking cocaine. We're gonna put some chill shit. We're gonna say a furry question mark question mark. I don't know what a furry is. If that's disrespectful, then I'm cooked. Woodland. Nah, we're off that. Sacramento. I know her. Nope, we're off that. She's not out here. Hey, chat, let's put my Instagram in the bio. Let's put my Instagram. Okay. How do we should we add another prompt? Nigga, fuck. Let's see. Okay, hold on, chat. Let me see. Okay, I gotta put Instagram. Yo, chat, the Instagram's gonna get changed. So, no. Okay. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Okay, my Instagram's slowing mainly. Don't hate me if I have a nicotine addiction. UC Davis, we're off of that chat. We're off of that. Gonna be off every time. Sad California. Short. I'm moving back to Cali this week. My ass. Okay. Okay, this is Asian. Bro, I really want an Asian child. I really want a fucking Asian. Ooh. Yes! God answered my prayers. Okay. Watching series or any outdoor. South Lake, South Tahoe. Of course, the beautiful ass Asian has to be out. Fucking Sabina. The being a nerd has gamer into anime movie theater. Well, looks like I check off everything on this list. So maybe we should get to if you like nigga, I'm the king at this shit, nigga. Come on. Can I send a rose? I'm not buying a rose, nigga. Ooh, shit. English, Spanish, finishing on my dating. Ooh. Nah. Beautiful though. No. I'm strict on what I want. Let's debate this topic. Batman, Superman versus Batman. Hey, chat. I think I'm going off script a little bit. Okay, now my shit looks like it's too long. Okay, let's go fix my shit. My greatest strength, communication, trust. Because without truth, there can be no love structure, and without communication, there will be no understanding. Okay, that's actually valid. Okay, that's just gonna have to stay like that. Oh wait. Okay, no, we should be good. We should be good. We should be good. Let's view the order. It's probably right there. Okay, let's see. You're tall Latina with the mouth. What's this? Spoil me. Someone that wants to hang out, go on dates and stuff. I'm bored. Okay, she's cute, but I want an Asian. Try to guess this about me. Staying outside or inside California, figuring out my dating goals, quality time. I know exactly what this is. A favorite memory of mine. Okay, we're off that chat. We're off that. Nope. Okay. Active now. I go crazy in Sacramento, Sac City. This year I really want to boost my ego. Okay, I got some shit. Fuck the AI tips real quick. I'm gonna say, hey, stop making me blush like that. Stop making me blush like that. Hey, stop that. Stop making me blush like that. Unless you want to go out on a date. Nigga, nigga. The riz can't be fucking matched. Send a like, okay? Hey, Chad, we finna use this shit up, bro. I'm telling you, we're finna use it up. Emma. I think she has a boyfriend. I saw a nigga next to her. Hey, chat. I don't. Hey, we're gonna shoot 100 times. We're gonna shoot 100 times. Cause I don't care. English. He's 21. I'm not that old. I'm really needy bipolar cat around. Okay, chat. Same shit. Same college as me. Nah, we off that. Nah, we off that too. English, Spanish. You have tattoos. Why does every girl over there go tattoos? Okay. Sacramento. Okay. Every beautiful girl's a Sac State. I just don't get the chat. I really just don't understand it. Oh my fucking god. See, I spoke it into existence. See, she goes to the same place as me. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be like, hey, stop making me blush like that. ... Unless you want to go on a date. Ooh. Where's she from? She's probably turned it off. Yeah, I like to see where girls are from, no daddy. Cause if you're not from here, I'm not going to talk about you. Ah, chat, this is fucking hard. Ooh, shit. Baby, let's move. What? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the girls love me. Hey, the way the women, San Francisco. Come on, chat. Sacramento. She's emo. Favorite music. Okay, we're gonna send this shit. We're gonna shoot 100 shots, right? Hold up, chat. Let me see my profile again. Okay, yeah, my profile is valid. I think my profile is valid. Oh shit. Cooking new recipe. Sacramento. She's 18. I go crazy for my dad, Mika. Hey, hey, hey. That makes me look that you wanna go on a date. Nigga, I'm shooting 100 from the. I'm shooting from the 3 point so bad they need to call me Steph Curry. She looks like my homeboy ex now. No. Chay, I think any girls text me. You don't think someone text me yet? What's it active today? Worst idea I ever had on is at Riverside. Okay, that's fucked up too. I go credit for guys with a pretty smile. Okay, nope, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never fucking mind. Okay, where'd you gonna ski? We're A chat. We're going to. I go crazy for a tall man. Hey Chad, we're gonna keep shooting, nigga. We're gonna keep shooting. Okay, we're gonna send that shit. How many likes have I sent? Oh my goodness. Let's go see. You're new. No likes yet. What does boost your profile mean? Yo, they really be taxing niggas, twin. Oh, how do you match? Hey, Chad, how do you match? Where's she from, Chad? I have no clue. She probably won't like. I want to call the homeboy. What up, Chad? Give me a sec, Chad. I don't think I'm famous, Chad. I don't think I'm famous. I need to call somebody to tell them to give me a pickup line. What's a good pickup line? Let me call this unhinged motherfucker, because when I call this nigga, he likes to get unhinged as shit, nigga. Damn, nobody answering. D&D, huh? Let me probably call again. We're gonna call again. We're gonna wait, chat. Just wait. Really. Isn't okay. We're gonna call somebody else. Hopefully she's not with her boyfriend. Actually, I'm calling Ninja. Fuck it. Damn, chat. I got no motion. I got no friends. Nobody's answering. Hello?
Yeah.
All right, so look, right. They can see you on my stream, right? So look, I need a question.
Huh?
Give me a pickup line that I could use on Hinge right now. What's a good pickup line?
On who?
It's a date now. I need a pickup line that could work. Like, you know, some cool shit, nigga.
pickup line?
Yeah, I need like a pickup line. Cause I'm on Hinge right now, nigga. And I'm trying
Like
to
if you
like,
wanted to pull a girl.
yeah.
Mm, you say, did you did you fall in a pile of sugar? Cause you're looking super sweet.
Okay, okay. Hey, that's valid.
Mm,
Hold on, KJ.
cause
Hey, KJ, I'm gonna say that. KJ, call me. Hold up. Did you fall in a pile of sugar because you? Did you fall in a pile of sugar? Okay, we're gonna say ooh, ooh. Okay, let's say that. Let's say that. I call her, she doesn't answer. What sense does that make, chat? Did you fall in a pile of sugar because you're looking mad sweet today? Yo,
you're
they can see you on my stream. Don't act the ass. But I need a pickup line, okay?
a pickup line.
Yeah, because I'm on Hinge. Hinge is like Yubo. Yubo is like Tinder. It's not an app, right? And I need a pickup line. What's a good? Because Ninja gave me a pickup line. He was like, "Did you fall on a pile of sugar because you're looking mad sweet today?" That's some fire shit, right? But now
What?
I need some shit from a girl perspective.
But I'm not really like. I don't really ever get like ass pickup lines, so I don't really like.
I need a pick. I need a pickup line.
I'm corny as fuck.
Hey, give me some corny shit. I'm using AI shit right now.
Somebody somebody would be able to get me with, "Hey baby, you from Tennessee? Cause you're the only 10 I see." Like I would fall for that, to be honest.
Are you from Tennessee? Because how about Are you from
Are you from
Idaho?
Tennessee?
Are you from Idaho? Because I'm trying to be your hoe.
No. Oh my
That's
god,
not
that
even
was
bad.
horrible.
That's not even bad. Unregistered. What does that mean? Okay, but fuck it, fuck it. I guess that could work. Thank you, Kater.
You're welcome.
That shit was ass twin. That shit was fucking ass twin. That shit was fucking ass. Hey, chap. I think we've done a lot of Hinge today. Let's go. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Peak shit. You're out of free likes for today. Okay, let's go see. Anybody like me? Nobody's like me? Valid. Okay, chat.